Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to VMware Cloud on AWS using SSO, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the VMware Cloud on AWS console. Navigate to the Identity Provider settings. Select your identity provider from the list. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, locate the SSO settings. Choose the option to configure SSO. Enter the necessary information for your identity provider. Define the required SAML attributes for user authentication. Save your changes and return to the main dashboard. Next, head to the VMware Cloud on AWS console again. Select your organization and navigate to the settings. Go to the SSO configuration section. Click on Add Identity Provider to initiate the setup. Enter the SSO URL and the certificate information provided by your identity provider. Confirm all entered details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Save. To test the configuration, open a new browser window. Enter the VMware Cloud on AWS portal URL. When prompted, select the SSO login option. Input your corporate email and password when directed. Authenticate using your identity provider's method. If successful, you will be redirected to your VMware Cloud dashboard. Review your settings to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter issues, return to the identity provider settings for troubleshooting. Check for any misconfigurations in the SAML settings. Ensure that user roles are properly assigned within VMware Cloud. Once everything is confirmed, user authentication via SSO is fully operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.